Good morning, KG2. Nice to be back again. We're going to do some reading comprehension today. Look at this house. Can you see it? This is a house. I think it's on a farm. I think this house is on a farm. The color of this house is red and white. Can you see it? Right. The roof of the house is red and the door is red. How many windows can you see? I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 windows. And I can see a white fence around the house. Can you see it? Right. Can you tell me what's that coming out the top? There's smoke. It comes out of a chimney. This is called a chimney. Do you know in winter, if they don't have electric heaters, they get the coal or the wood and they light it, and the smoke from that doesn't go in the house, so they have to have a chimney. So this is called a chimney. What is it called? A chimney. And there's a little rhyme. Chim chimney, chim chimney, chim chim churi. Have you heard that? Chitty chitty. Is it Mary Poppins, I think? The chimney. Okay? And they go up to the chimney. And if you go down, if sometimes in the summer, okay, the birds or the pigeons, they go inside, and when they come back out, do you know what color they come? They come out black, because inside here there is the coal, the soot. It's called soot, and it makes the pigeons black in the summer, not in the winter, because in the winter it's on, so there's fire, it's hot. But in the summer, when we don't use these in the summer, in England they don't use these in the summer, so sometimes they have to close the top so the birds don't go inside. They go and hide inside, but when they come back out, they're black because of the soot from the coal. Okay, so that's something you know now. And we're going to look at this house. We're going to look around it, and there are some playground games they can play on. There's a swing and there's a slide which goes very fast. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 something. I don't know what they are, but you have to answer the questions. And there are 2 things inside the house. And there are some little plants around the house as well. And the door is red, and we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 windows. 2 small ones, 1 little round one. And the rest are they rectangles or triangles? Who can tell me? Who can tell me? Yes, they're triangles. Very good. I'm going to read the comprehension for you. I live in the little house with a red roof. I play games outside. I like to zoom down the steep slide. A little boy is saying this. Now I want you to answer in full sentences, okay? Full. What part of the house is red? What part of the house is red? That's number 1. Number 2, what are the hens doing? What are the hens doing? Number 3, which animals are near the slide? Can you look near the slide and tell me which animals are near the slide? Question number 4. What would you like to play on near the house? What would you like to play on near the house? Would you like to play on the slide, or would you like to play on the swing? I've given you 2 alternatives to choose from. What would you like to play on? Now, for your composition today, look at the picture and write 2 sentences of your own about the house using the helping words in the box. Can you see this box here? You've got the words white, fence, windows, 6, door, red and chimney. I told you what chimney means. Now I want you to write full sentences about the house. Okay, thank you. And that's it for today. For our reading session, we're going to read our tricky words with Humpty Dumpty. Do you remember the nursery rhyme of Humpty Dumpty? Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king horses and all the king men couldn't put Humpty together again. So now you're going to help Humpty Dumpty read all these words on the bricks of his wall. Are you ready? Read and colour Humpty Dumpty's wall. Get your sheet. Have you printed it out, your sheet? Your reading sheet. And let us begin. Where's Finger? Peter Pointer. The first word is was. Our tricky words these are. We don't read them phonetically. We look at them and we remember them. They're called sight words. You learn them off by heart. Right? Was, all, I, are, to. Do, the, he, me, we. She, be, there, here, they. Come, some, said, your, you, my, go, so, no. Very good. Now you say them. Okay? And I'm going to say them faster. Let's do them faster now, quickly. One more time. Was, all, I, are, to, do, the, he, me, we. She, be, there, here, they. Come, some, said, your, you, my, go, so, no. Very good. Now you do them with Mommy. Give Mommy your sheet and you point with your finger as fast as you can. Now we're going to read again the next set of words, and they're called words. Word reading with Humpty Dumpty. Read and colour Humpty Dumpty's wall. Let's begin. Get your finger. Where's your Peter Pointer on the words on your sheet? Ready? Go. It, sick, tie, boil, dip. Puff, pot, card, fuss, shout. Hammer, market, ship, chop, think, croak, and hat. Let's go faster now. It, sick, tie, boil, dip, puff, pot, card, fuss, shout. Hammer, market, ship, chop, think, croak, hat. Now you give your sheet to Mommy and we're going to go faster. You do that with Mommy now with your sheet. Very good. And now Humpty Dumpty wants to read with you non-word. Non-words. Do you know what these are? These are words which make no sense. They don't mean anything. Okay? But they will help you to practice more your phonic sounds. Like the A, the ow, the o, and the oo, and I, and b, and I. You remember all those phonic sounds which we used to do? So, these are non-words. They don't make sense. Let me see if you know them now. All right? I will read with you. Get your Peter Pointer finger ready and let's begin. Dot, pate, frowl, burl, bis, gok, hob, kai, and pock. Pock. You see, I'll read them faster. They don't mean anything. There's no meaning to them. But they are helping you to read the sounds, aren't they? Like if I say to you hat, you remember this word in your mind and you can say it even because you've used it a lot. Hat, you know how to say hat, a hat. But that's why when I give you non-words, you can put them together and they don't make sense, but you're still knowing how to read. This is why it makes sure that you learn your phonic sounds. Because if the words are words which make meaning, have meaning, then you can just learn them off by heart. But these don't have any meaning. You will have to put them phonetically together. That is why at this stage you should be able to read non-words like d, a, t, dot, pate, frowl, burl, bis, gok, hob, kai, and the last one is pock. You see? Now you try to read them faster and colour, if you can read them, you colour Humpty Dumpty's wall, okay? That's for today. Thank you.